Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 17 of Foundation of Shorthand. For this lesson, we will be having the sounds of ND and NT, short U omitted, and more minor vowels omitted. Now, for the sounds of ND and NT, it is the combination of the symbols N and T. Okay, sample words. S, ow, and sound. F, ow, and found. S, I, and signed. A, S, I, and assigned. F, I, and find. A, J, and A, agenda. E, and P, L, A, and planned. T, R, A, and trained. K, I, and kind. K, I, and Lee, kindly. K, I, and N, E, S, kindness. Gay, R, A, and grand. F, R, E, and friend. F, R, E, and Lee, friendly. M, I, and mind. R, E, M, I, and remind. Again, R, E, M, I, and remind. And S, P, E, and spend. Okay, now for the NT words, S, E, N, sent. P, R, E, N, print. P, R, E, N, R, printer. R, E, N, L, rental. K, R, E, N, current. K, R, E, N, Lee, currently. A, P, A, R, E, N, apparent. A, K, ow, and account. A, K, ow, and accountant. Okay, let us repeat. A, K, ow, and accountant. A, M, ow, and amount. A, J, and agent. S, P, E, and spent. Then int, U, into. Ent, IR, entire. Entirely, entirely. Okay, then short U omitted before N and M. So for example, SM, some. SMR, summer. FN, fun. DN, done. LNJ, lunch. RN, run. BGN, begun. F, end, refund. KM, come. In KM, income. BKM, become. And well, KM, welcome. Okay. But we have a special case for the word number. So the number retains the U to facilitate the joining of N and M. Like for example, NUMBR number. Okay. Then short U omitted before a straight downward symbol. For example, MJ much, SJ such, TJ touch, R-ish rush, judge, and BJT budget. Okay. Then minor vowels omitted. So in lesson 3, you were taught to omit minor vowels. So here are more examples of those. REDR, reader. RITR, writer. FINL, final. TOTL, total. DLA, delay. RSN, reason. PRSN, person. PRSNL, personal. PRSNEL, personnel. PRSU, pursue. PRCAS, purchase. And then KRTSE, courtesy. Okay. SEKRETRE, secretary. DSPLA, display. DSTERB, disturb. DSKRIB, describe. And then DSKREPtion, description. And then AJNSE, agency. That's all for lesson 17. Again, we have the minor vowels omitted, the short U omitted before a straight downward symbol, the short U omitted before N and M, and then the end words. Okay. See you in the next lesson.